Ancient Rome timeline. (753 BC). The city of Rome is founded by Romulus and Remus, according to Roman mythology. 509 BC. Rome becomes a republic. 202 BC. Rome begins to expand its territory. 130 BC. Rome conquers Greece and Spain. 73 BC. The Spartacus leads slaves in an uprising. 55 to 54 BC. Julius Caesar invades Britain, but is unsuccessful. 54 to 43 BC. Trade between Britain and Rome grows. 45 BC. Julius Caesar becomes Rome's first dictator. End of the Roman Republic. 44 BC. Julius Caesar is assassinated. 27 BC. Start of the Roman Empire. Caesar Augustus becomes the first Roman emperor. AD 43. The Romans conquer Britain. AD 47 to 50. Londinium, London, is founded. Roads are constructed. AD 51. Caratacus' rebellion is crushed by the Romans. AD 60 to 70. Baths and temple built in Bath, known then as Aquae Sulis. AD 61. Boudicca's rebellion against the Romans. AD 64. The Great Fire of Rome. AD 70. Romans conquer Wales, the north, and Jerusalem. AD 75 to 77. Last of the northern tribes are defeated. Roman conquest of Britain is complete. AD 79. Roman invasion of Scotland. AD 80. The Colosseum is completed. AD 121. Hadrian's Wall is built. AD 138. Romans attempt to conquer Scotland. AD 142. Antonine Wall is built. AD 200. Barbarians attack Rome. AD 208. Further attempts to conquer Scotland. AD 209. St. Alban becomes the first Christian martyr. AD 212. Rome withdraws troops from Scotland. AD 286. Carausius declares himself emperor in Britain and Northern Gaul. AD 293. Emperor Carausius is assassinated. AD 306. Constantine becomes emperor. AD 312. Constantine converts to Christianity. AD 380. Theodosius I makes Christianity the official religion of the empire. AD 395. Rome splits into two empires. AD 410. Rome falls to the Visigoths. End of Roman rule in Britain. Anglo-Saxons arrive. AD 476. End of the Western Roman Empire. Fall of ancient Rome. Start of the Dark Ages in Europe. AD 1453. End of the Byzantine, Eastern Roman Empire.